In this video, we'll look at how to add a feedback widget to your application. For the purposes of this tutorial, we have a fictional company created called Solid Automotive. Now, what we want is a share feedback button in the top navigation that opens our feedback widget. So let's go to Olvy and add our script tags. Now this first script tag tells the Olvy script which workspace you want to configure it. Then second script tag basically loads the entire Olvy script that is responsible for rendering your widget. Now let's add our share feedback button. Let's go to navigation. So now if we refresh the website, we have the share feedback button added as the Olvy script is loading. But there's no widget yet. So let's go ahead and create a feedback widget. Now in the widget builder on the right hand side, you can see a preview of the feedback widget. On the left hand side, you can see the settings for it. Let's call this website nav. Now I can customize the content of the widget, like what should be the header text, what should be the placeholder. I can also customize the appearance of the widget, like if I want to show an overlay or not, right? If I want to customize all the theme variables in my widget. I can also customize it by adding my own CSS. Now the most important part of this configuration is the target element. Now this is the element that links your button on your website to the widget. Now if you remember, we added this element with the ID of Olvy share feedback. Let's copy this and add it to our target element. This is an ID. We added a hash before it. So the value for this can be any valid JavaScript selector that you can pass. You can target it by class names or any other HTML attribute. So let's go ahead and publish this widget. The widget is now live. So let's go ahead and refresh our website. You can see the share feedback button is here and the Olvy script is loaded. As soon as you click on it, you have the feedback widget prompted. So yeah, that's how you add a feedback widget to your application. Until next tutorial, thank you.